with you.
Alright, so today, I have a couple videos I'm working on right now, but I want to get this one out of the way because I'm actually going to need it tonight, right? You know, you go to those teppanyaki spots, the hibachi spots, you know, where they cook the food right there on the table in front of you, okay? You get that yum yum sauce, right? I know I told you guys before I was going to put a video up on how to make the yum yum sauce. And guess what? Today's the day. I know I finally got around to it. So you're going to get it today. It's real simple. Stay tuned and watch what I do. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So for this, it's real simple. We're going to need about 3 tablespoons of water, right? Need about a teaspoon of paprika, okay, right here. We need about a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, you know, some seasoned vinegar, right? Then here, we have about 2 tablespoons of mirin, right? Here we have about a tablespoon of tomato paste. And here we have a tablespoon of granulated garlic. And we have roughly about a cup to a cup and a third of Kewpie Japanese mayonnaise. Now, you can use regular mayonnaise if you want. I just find that this one works wonders. Okay, let's get it together. Real simple. Let's add our mayo. And again, this is the Kewpie Japanese mayo. You know, you could use the regular American mayo if you like, you know. But, I mean, this is what I would recommend that you use. Okay? Add our vinegar. Add our mirin. Our granulated garlic. Add our water. Gotta add our paprika. Get that in there. And we're gonna add our tomato paste. Okay. Now let's get this mixed up. And you want to mix it until it's well combined, you see. Now, some people add lemon juice to this. Some people add cayenne pepper. I mean, you can. I mean, it's your sauce. Make it the way you like it. Okay, let's see what we got. Give me a tasting chopsticks. See what we got. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Just that simple. Now let me get this in a container, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator so it chills, right? Till it's time to be used. So here we have it. Our sauce. Yum yum sauce. Looks nice. You got to check this out. Let me put something together in a dipping tray so you can check it out. Okay, here we go. There's a yum yum sauce ready to be dipped. And guess what? You know who's gonna dip it? It's gonna be me. So if you like this, try out the video, right? Try the recipe out. Comment, let me know what you think, right? If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hey, be part of the peanut gallery. Hey, let me know what you're talking about, right? Hit me up on Instagram so you always know what's coming up next. That being said, this is Shrashira because I have some stuff to dip.